Those of you that struggle to last long in bed, you might want to watch this interview, because what this physiologist is about to say is going to make some of you really, really excited. This is the Locudo experience.
Any man who can last within 3 to 7 minutes, that man is very, very, very okay. Nothing is wrong with him. You must not last for 1 hour, 2 hours before you know that you had sex.
Sir, you say you feel pity for those that take Viagra. Why did you say that?
Yes, I feel pity for people that take Viagra. Why? Because Viagra basically is a medication that is not meant for everybody. The Viagra is meant specifically for those suffering from erectile dysfunction, which simply means that those are men that their penis can no longer stand. So Viagra is being given to them basically just to stimulate the erectile tissue so that the penis can also stand again. Now, when one is given Viagra, when Viagra enters into the bloodstream, it relaxes muscles of the blood vessels, thereby increasing blood flow to a particular area. For Viagra, it will increase blood flow to the penis. So that causes erection. That's what Viagra is basically meant for. That's the function of Viagra, to increase blood flow to the penis. That's what it's meant for. But a lot of people are abusing this medication, and it's bringing up a lot of side effects.
Like, what kind of side effects are we talking about?
Okay, now when you take Viagra, you might have side effects like headache. You might have side effects like dizziness and blurred vision. Because when you take it, there's a way you feel, especially when it is not metabolized properly or when it is not used from the body. I'm going to bring a scenario now. Now, the reason why some people take Viagra without medical prescription is the fact that you might have a girlfriend that have told you that you don't last long on bed. You will feel so discouraged. So the best thing for you to do is like, okay, fine. Since my girlfriend already told me I'm not lasting long on bed. Okay, let me go and get this medication from the pharmacy. And when you go, you get it and take it. When you take this medication, as the medication enters into your bloodstream, it just takes time before it starts into action. When someone consumes Viagra, it can take about 30 to 1 hour before it is absorbed into the bloodstream. So that is to say that, for example, now if you happen to take Viagra and the next 5 minutes and you want to engage in sexual intercourse, which is coitus, you might end up feeling disappointed because it has not absorbed into the bloodstream. So you can't feel the effect in the blood vessel. You can't feel the effect. So a lot of people take it because their girlfriend or their partner would have told them they don't last long on bed. So the best thing for them to do is go and buy Viagra and use it. Now, another thing that makes people to also take Viagra without medical prescription